that's I type your name, and I erase it again. I start a message, but I never press send. Too many words in my head, too many things left unsaid. So I let the screen go dark instead and lay awake in my bed. Messages I never sent, words that came and went, late night thoughts I keep instead, conversations in my head. In the end, I still remember that night, driving with no destination, windows down, island air, no need for explanation. You were talking about your dreams, I was listening to your voice. Messages I never sent, words that came and went, late night thoughts I keep instead, conversations in my head. Maybe it's better this way, maybe there's nothing to say, but some nights I message in the end. If I wrote everything I feel, would it change anything at all? Or would it just reopen doors we already closed before?